Hello, let me show you how we can find and open hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy S25. So the best way to find and open hidden apps, if they are hidden from the home screen and the app screen, is by going to settings. Then in the settings we can go to apps, and then over here we can search for the app that is hidden. So for example, I have TikTok hidden from the home screen and app screen. And if I open TikTok in the apps list, then at the bottom over here, I can just open it like this. So the app is still accessible and we can still open it. And as you can see over here, there is no TikTok on the home screen, and it is also not present in the apps screen. Another method to open the hidden app is by going to background apps, but that is only if you have opened the app before. So you can still return to the app if it was opened, and there is no issue with that. Even though the app is not visible in the home screen and app screen, you can still open it like this. Another method to check if an app is installed and in order to open it is by using, for example, the Play Store, because if you search for an app that is hidden, so let's say in my case I'm gonna try to find TikTok, you will see that there is no install option. It is already installed and I can actually open it from here as well. And obviously the last thing that allows us to get access to the hidden apps is to unhide them. So we can open settings, go to home screen, and then choose hide apps on home and app screens, and you can, for example, remove those hidden apps to be able to find them again and open them. But I assume since you have hidden them, you don't really want to do that. So still, these are the methods that allow you to find hidden apps and open them. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!